So, let's go on through the insignia. Do you know what? Let's do the first 3 letters of the reg. There you go. I won't show you the rest because it's not fair on the customer. So I've took off the pipe here to smoke test it, which is my smoke testers there. And then I thought, right, there's a broken stud, so that's a broken stud. I thought I'd just get my air chisel, try and bang it out. It won't bang out, so I'm going to cut off the top or drill, slice it off and then go through. I thought, you know what? That DPF looks a bit funny. I thought that's breaking up. Where is it? And I thought, okay, I'll just have a look that direction. If I can see. And I thought, that bit's chunked out there. And I thought, okay, not a problem. Let me get me zoom out. And then it looks like someone has had the... How do I describe it? Dogger. Air chisel or SDS right the way through to the top. So, well done. Them guys. Yep, your DPF light's gone off now, mate. And your Adblue light's gone off. But you don't have a full DPF anymore. Thanks, everyone. Well done, traders.
I got so